is that? Darcei! Hey. I was looking at reviews for this collection everywhere, and like everyone was reviewing the lip lacquers, but no one was reviewing the lippy sticks. What the heck? So today I'm going to be reviewing the lippy sticks. So if you don't know, this collection is part of a collection that VT Cosmetics is doing in collaboration with BTS, and BT21 is kind of like their cute little characters. As you can see on all the lipsticks, they have cute normal characters. Oh my god. Now listen, I don't know anything about BTS, so I apologize if I say something wrong, cause your girl is just clueless, okay? So the lippy sticks are supposed to be the moisturizing ones of the bunch, so we'll see about that. I'll be the judge of that. I do have all of the lippy sticks. There are 8 of them. So the first one that I'm going to start with is this one here. Look how cute the packaging is, guys. That is adorable. And then when you open it up, it's like this cute little bullet. It's so cute. This color is called Brown Dawn. Then I have RJ Sturdy Coral, Shimmy in Mood Rose, Cookie in Burnt Pink, Koya in Deep Orange, Tata in Red Pool, Van in Burgundy Scene, and Mang in Struck Pink. I want to do swatches on my arm first because last time I did a VT Cosmetics review, didn't turn out that great. So I'm a little frightened, okay? A little scared. So we're gonna start out with some arm swatches. Gonna pull out my arm here. So here are all the colors together. What I can see from this, just from the swatches, great pigmentation, and they are really creamy. They're not drying down completely matte, but they're not super shiny either, which I really like. So I think we're gonna like this, guys. Okay, so pleasantly surprised and optimistic. All right, so first color we have here is Brown Dawn. Super excited for this one. This is usually the kind of color that I wear. Okay, she cute or whatever. I see you. So the formula is definitely really creamy, very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing lipstick. The color itself is something I would wear in the winter time because it is pretty light. I feel like it's giving me winter vibes. It goes pretty well with the makeup that I'm wearing right now. Once again, this one is Brown Dawn. Okay, so I was about to change the lipstick and I wiped it a little bit off with a paper towel, and this is basically what it looks like as a stain. I started just like tapping it in. I actually really like this. I think I prefer, at least I prefer this color as more of a stain. It's really pretty. Oh my god. Just wanted to let you guys know. Okay, next color. Okay, next color we have here is Sturdy Coral. So yep, this is definitely a corally shade. Very bright, so okay, she a little bright. She a little okay, maybe if I just tone it down a little bit. Much better. Okay, now that I've taken some of the excess color off the edges, it looks a lot better. This one is a really nice coral color. It's really good for like springtime and even winter. I am digging this color now. Okay. Okay. VT Cosmetics, I see you. I see what you did. The next one we're gonna try is called Mood Rose. Another rosy color. So excited. Okay. This is my kind of color. This is the beautiful winter lipstick that you were looking for if you were a chocolate girl. Mood Rose. Okay, next we're gonna be trying Burnt Pink. Look how mischievous. Look how mischievous this little bunny is. Look at him. That eyebrow. Huh? He is ready to cause some trouble. Now she be looking bright. It's okay, because the others look bright too, but they was fine. I feel like this is gonna be a really spring pop of color. Yes, springtime pop of color. How are you? Hello. Yes, honey, she is popping and she is fresh. Once again, this is Bird Pink. All right, we're halfway through. The next color we have here is an orange one. Ooh, this is called Deep Orange. So it looks like an orangey red. Okay, she is screaming summer. Okay. So I don't really know what this looks like on other people, but this is almost coming off as like a deep corally red. There's definitely orange there. It is orange. I actually really like this one. It's so cute. I love it. Deep orange. Deep orange. Orangey. Next color that we have on the menu is Red Bull. Not Deadpool, but Red Bull. This one. This is the cool tone red. This is the kind of red that I prefer. Ooh, okay. This color coming off very juicy. Now that I think about it, I think these smell like juice. Okay, she is plump and she is juicy. Oh snap. I just want to. Okay, this is the dark one of the bunch. This is called Burgundy Sane. She is the rebel. Oh, am I tripping or is she creamier than the rest? I love this color. I love it. I love it. This is a fall lipstick, honey, okay? Burgundy Scene. I think this is my favorite so far. And the final color from the collection is called Struck Pink. Has a cute little horse on it. Like that. So this is like a very fuchsia pink. I'm sensing another spring color. This one is definitely not as bright as I thought it would be. A lot more toned down than I thought it would be. Okay, when I layer it, it's like a little bit less subtle, but definitely not the bright fuchsia that you think it's gonna be when you look at the tube. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna pop this one in a little bit, but this one's really pretty. Definitely a spring color. One more time, give it a big round of applause for Struck Pink, ladies and gentlemen. Hey guys, so I'm back with the first color on, which is called Brown Dawn, and we're not finished yet because I still have to try these bad boys. This is the Cushion Blush. They only come in 3 shades, so this is the first one that we're gonna try. Honey, I know she looking a little frightening, okay? But don't you worry, okay? Especially with cushions, the color, very deceiving, okay? This could be brown for all I know. I have no idea what's gonna come out of this thing. So this one I believe is called Raspberry. It comes with the puff. Look, oh, hold on. I gotta show you guys. It's so cute, oh my god. We're just gonna do a little pat pat in here. Oh. Did that pick up anything? What the hell? What? Try it on the back of my hand. Bitch, what is that? Hold on, let me try my fingers. Wait a second. What is that? I'm gonna put this on my hand first. Okay. Bitch, what is this? What the? I am scared for my life. No. No, honey. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. What did I do? Oh no. We're gonna zoom in for this one. Okay. Bitch. What is this? What are you? Okay. 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 I am genuinely perplexed as to what is happening on my face right now. What? I need a mirror. I need. What is this? This is a blush? What do you mean? What? Let's do swatches. Wow. What is this? What is this? It's a waste of your damn money. That's what this is. Okay, don't buy it. Don't buy this. These are cute though. These are cute. Buy these. In conclusion, buy the lippy sticks. They're cute and they come in some nice shades. Thank you for coming to my review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe so that you can tune in next time. See you later, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye. Actually though, like what is that? What is it?